Good morning, this is SMC's Equity Outlook. Indian market continued its previous day rally and saw a gap up opening on Monday. Also with benchmark Nifty tested 6150 in the early morning, tracking gains in the Asian on encouraging stance from the US Fed plans to continue its monetary stimulus measures coupled with bold economic reforms unveiled by China. In the later half, benchmark Nifty continued to soar above 6150, largely supported by financials, FMCG, oil and gas, capital goods sector, which witnessed huge buying interest. However, some stocks remained under selling pressure, like Lupin, Coal India, Sesa Sterlite, Cipla registered losses from the Nifty pair. Meanwhile, Rupee hit a one-week high at 62.63 levels per dollar against the greenbacks as the initial push from the global dollar weakness get a big boost from strong FDI flows. Technically, Nifty found support around 59.70 levels, which was the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of entire upside move from 57.20 to 63.40 levels. Overall, it surged over 3% in last two sessions and also got success to close above the resistance mark of 61.40 levels. So, we anticipate that this buying momentum can continue for coming days and may breach the near-term hurdle of 6200 levels. For today's trade, Nifty can find support around 6160 or 6140 levels, and on the upper side, it may face hurdle around 6230 or 6250 levels. Here are the few technical stocks for intraday trade by Bank India for the upside target of 251-254 levels with a stop loss of 236. By BHEL for the upside target of 144-146 levels with a stop loss of 136. By Canara Bank for the upside target of 272-275 levels with a stop loss of 259. That's all for today. Thank you.